Caimans are intriguing reptiles from the alligatoridae family, native to Central and South America. They live in freshwater habitats like rivers, lakes, and swamps. Similar to alligators and crocodiles, caimans have armored bodies, long snouts, and powerful tails. They are apex predators, feeding on fish, birds, mammals, and invertebrates. Known for their sharp teeth and strong jaws, caimans capture and crush their prey efficiently. There are various species, including the spectacled, black, and dwarf caimans. These reptiles have tough, scaly skin for protection and camouflage. Female caimans guard their nests and young, showcasing notable parental care. Conservation is crucial as caimans face habitat loss and hunting threats.